Hello, my name's Nick Grayson. I'm an assessor and mentor here at Buxton Leek College. Prior to coming to the college, I was an aeronautical engineer. I've got a number of years on the Eurofighter Typhoon, both here and in the Middle East. At the college, you have opportunities to do a level 3 engineering apprenticeship, but also a full-time engineering course. These will help you get careers all over the UK in a variety of different departments. The skills you'll be learning could be from machining to electronics to mechanical fitting. You can see to my left and right, we've got machines that you would use in your training. These include the miller and the lathe, but we also have CNC, 3D printing and a fully fitted fitting workshop. Alongside these learning activities in the college, you would be working in the workplace and you would be learning in the workplace. Apprenticeships are fully paid and fully funded. If you've got any questions about apprenticeships, feel free to get in touch and someone from the team will be happy to speak to you.